everyone, we're here at booth 401 at the ISSA show floor, and I'm here with Tiffany Baird with Bona. All right, so we have a few questions. You guys just finished doing a demo for us.
Yeah.
So first question, what does innovation mean to your organization?
Innovation is one of our core values, actually, as a company. We really take pride in being first to industry with as many innovative solutions as we can for the customer base that we have. So from our heritage and hardwood floors to now being in resilient floors, being at that forefront of innovation and forward thinking and solutions for the customers is critical to us.
Perfect. And what makes your product innovative?
This particular product for resilient floors it's a industry first. We've spent many years working on the chemistry to make sure that we were getting the best solution possible for frustrations that building owners and floor owners have been having in resilient floors. And so having something that actually offers a sustainable solution, a time and cost labor saving solution is really what's going to take us to the forefront there on the innovative side.
And how does your organization approach innovation in the cleaning industry?
For us in the cleaning industry, our approach is really listening to our customer and having a really deep relationship, whether it's on the distributor side, building service contractors, or even the custodian in a school, really garnering that information to make sure that the products we're formulating and the solutions that we're bringing to them really meet their needs.
And how does your product provide value to your customers?
This product in particular, as well as our hardwood products for gym floors, is all about providing time, cost, labor savings. The solutions are meant to cut that time in half so that the teams have enough time to work on other projects around the building, that they're not stressed out about how to care for or renovate, whether it's a hardwood floor or resilient floor. And so being able to tie that back together and give that value back to the building owner, whether it's somebody controlling the budget or doing the work, is really important to us.
And last question, why does innovation matter in the cleaning industry?
Oh, I think innovation is critical in the cleaning industry because it's everywhere. You know, it's every surface, it's anybody that's walking into a building. You know, health and safety is such an importance right now in addition to sustainable solutions. And so every company that's looking for an innovative approach is really putting that customer, that end user first, and that's our priority too.
And people who visit you today at your booth, they'll be able to see a little bit of your demo, is that right? Or?
Yes, yeah, at 1:30 and throughout the course of the day we did a bunch of demos. Yesterday we're at booth 1155 and we'll have another demo this afternoon, and we also are doing a coffee kind of happy hour the rest of the day as well, so we'd love to see everybody come by.
Perfect, keeping everybody happy.
That's right.
Well, thank you so much for your time, and I'm Sarah Macias with ISSA TV.